getting this error of Roblox error code 403 authentication failed. The fix is quite simple. Go to search, type in here for run, hit enter. Here you can see app data. So just go and open up app data. Now you need to go to local, and here you need to search for Roblox. Here it is. Just go right click and delete this. Now you need to go back to app data, go to local low. Here you can see RPX CS settings. RPX is Roblox setting. Just go and delete this too. Now you need to uninstall the Roblox. For that, you need to simply go and add or remove program. So basically, you need to uninstall and reinstall the Roblox. So here you need to search for Roblox, and here it is. Just go and uninstall it. Uninstall. We already uninstalled it kind of from there. Now close it, and you need to go to your browser, download the Roblox again, and install it. That is quite simple. I think you know that. I don't need to tell anything. So download it from here. You would get a file in the downloads. I already got one, this one. So just go and open it, and it will install the Roblox. It is that simple. I hope this video helped you out to fix the Roblox error code 403. But before you go, please like the video.